guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys different hairstyles I've been rocking during my stay at home. I took a shower a few hours ago and I left on a deep conditioner. I just took it out and my hair is dripping wet. So you can see my sweater is all wet and stuff, so excuse me. So after I washed out my deep conditioner, I just put it in a bun. We'll be taking it out. This is my hair, has nothing, has no product. I have about 4 days at home. I'm trying not to look at myself in the mirror because I'll go crazy. I usually just have my hair straight all the time, so I always wear it in a ponytail or in a bun, or I just leave it out. And I don't have a problem with like brushing it or styling it. So I washed my hair Monday and I just styled it and left it curly. Then Tuesday it was frizzy, it was puffy, it looked crazy. Since I'm used to always having it straight, I have no problem having to style it or waste any time. I just take it out my ponytail and my hair straight, brush it, that's it. But now that I'm at home, I can't go get my hair done. This is what I'll be using to keep my hair moisturized. It is called Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk and it's for all hair types. It's by Mile. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put a really good amount on my palms. I usually just put everything to the front. That way I can get the back, I can get the middle. I like massaging my scalp. I'm gonna get a little more. I'm gonna apply it to the ends. So now we'll be applying a little bit of coconut oil. I got this from my country. It's in Spanish. In Spanish it says aceite de coco. It's by Divino Spa. Any of you guys ever want to go to my country and get yourself natural coconut oil? I use this all over my body, my skin. It really hydrates it. My hair has been kind of dry since I haven't been doing anything to it. Curls are bouncy. They're hydrated. I wish they can stay like this, but it's not gonna happen. I'm currently one of those people who's at home out of work. I don't have anything to do with my life, so why not show you guys what I do with my hair? So next I'm gonna apply the Go Professional Styling Gel with argan oil. And then I'm gonna take more and apply it to the rest of my hair. So remember to always bring the hair up, scrunch it up. So next I'm gonna take my Conair diffuser. So here we go. Oh, it's not turning on. What's going on here? Alright. Well, let me just flip everything over so it can be easier for me. So on Monday I did not do all these steps. That's why my hair stayed frizzy and it didn't last. The curls didn't last the day after. This way it would definitely last. You just have to make sure you really dry your curls. So to really make sure that your hair stays, you should put it in a cap, in a scarf, or a bonnet. So, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 gonna take this detangling brush and I'm gonna detangle my hair. This brush is good for getting product in every strand of hair. Since I won't be keeping the bonnet overnight, I will be showing you guys an alternative way of keeping your hair curled. Or if your hair doesn't really get curled, you can use this option to have some curls in the morning. So you guys guessed it, I'll be doing 2 braids. So doing 2 braids and keeping them overnight helps you have curls in the morning. The top of your hair will stay straight. So it's good if you don't want your hair to be puffy on top. What you can do in the morning is use a curling iron. So I'll be parting this side so it won't get in the way. I'm not a braiding pro, but I'm going to do the best that I can. So this is another hairstyle you can do while on quarantine. 2 braids is like the easiest thing that you can do. You don't have to worry about it when you wake up. You can also put a bonnet on when you're gonna go to sleep so that the braids can stay and the hair won't get so frizzy in the morning. I took the braid out halfway. I tied both braids right here, right where I ended. This is another hairstyle you guys can do once you get bored or once you decide on taking the braids out. If you slept overnight with the braids and you decided to do this hairstyle, you're most likely to have more curls than me. So I'm gonna show you guys another hairstyle you guys can try. I'm just brushing the front part towards the back. So this is another fun hairstyle that you can do. I love doing this hairstyle when my hair is dirty. So I'm gonna take this part. It is like a square. Okay, so I'm just combing everything down. My hair is starting to dry a little bit. So I'm just doing this so the bottom hair won't get mixed with the top. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to do 2 parts. Just to make things easier, I'm going to tie this down. So I'm going to take a little more of the gel and I'm going to put a little bit in the front and down the middle. My line is not as straight. So I'm gonna start twisting the hair. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So this is the finished product. So cute. I love it. These are some hairstyles that you can do while you're at home. I couldn't decide which one to stay with, to be honest. I got a little tired, so I don't feel like doing another hairstyle. I'm going to again style the bottom so that it won't stay too straight. I hope this video will give you an idea of what to do with your hair while on quarantine and not being able to go outside to a hair salon. So I hope you guys find this video fun and easy. Let me know in the comments which hairstyle you guys ended up doing. Thank you guys for watching.